85% of you will ignore this in 2019, and that's getting O.P.M. What is O.P.M? O.P.M stands for other people's money. And the easiest way that I can explain to you the importance of getting other people's money, some people call it credit, whatever, it's getting loans, it's understanding that there's a system in how you do it. And when you know the system, you can do it over and over again from any type of place that you're trying to do it from. It doesn't matter. When you're dead broke, you'll know how to get money. And isn't that a skill that's important that you would want to know how to do? I mean, look at, if you want an example, here's the biggest example I can give you. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett makes his main money from his insurance company and investments. What he does is this. He has people come in and pay premiums to an insurance company. What insurance companies do with that premium is that they then go invest that in other businesses. And what Warren Buffett invests in are actually businesses that he takes a stake in and actually builds them up to make sure that the investment is good. It's not investments in stocks or passive income type of crap or nothing like that. He takes an active investment role, or his group, in whatever money his insurance company doles out. And insurance companies make billions of dollars a month because of the premiums that people give in. So that's other people's money. He uses the premiums that people pay into their insurance company so he can then take that money and invest. Now, don't you wish you had a business where people were just paying you for insurance every day, which means they're not going to get in a car accident every day. They're not going to have claims on that insurance every day. It just doesn't work like that. So you'll have that other people's money to invest in. And it's not just banks or loans that give you that. You can get that from the people if you set up the proper business. Start getting involved, start getting curious, and start learning. You can start right here at businesscreditbuilder.co, not .com, but .co, if you want to start getting involved in O.P.M, other people's money.